Hey there, Adrienne Lindeen here, and in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about how to grow your network marketing business with your personal brand. Okay, so how many of you out there may be struggling with this piece? You've heard about branding yourself and all those things, but then you also think, how do I build my business if I'm not telling people about my products and about my company all the time? How will they know, right? So I'm going to break that down for you in this episode. So the first step is when you want to build your business using your personal brand, and this actually has worked the best for me. I used to build on social media by sharing all the things about my products, how amazing they were, talking about how great my company was, what the company gave back to, the credibility of the company, the ownership, just all the great things that I thought were valuable. But what I found was I was actually causing resistance in my business and pushing people away because first of all, I was talking to the wrong people. And second of all, okay, people don't want to be pitched. And that's what it looks like on social media. And we call that spamming. Okay, people actually want to know what will it do for them and what are the benefits. But before that, okay, before they actually get curious and want to raise their hand, they want to know, first of all, who are you? Do I know this person? Do I know this person enough to like this person? Do I like this person enough to trust them and trust what they're advising me on, right? So the first step, I'm going to break this thing down for you in 3 steps, okay? So the first step is first identifying who your perfect audience is for your business and for your products, okay? And so who is that person? Who is ideal? What do they represent? Are they, do they work from home? Do they have a full-time job? Are they a parent? Okay. What are their passions, right? What motivates them? What do they get excited about? First you need to identify all those things, okay? Because not everybody is your perfect prospect. And if you spend your time talking to a lot of people that aren't the right fit for your product, they aren't the right fit for your company, then you're going to spend a lot of time getting rejected. So we found a great way to use social media, okay? Use your brand to connect with those perfect people, okay? And when you connect with those perfect people online, okay, those people can relate to you. So they're more likely to follow you. They're more likely to engage with you on your content and more likely to see you as that trusted advisor because there is an alignment there, right? So think about the people that you follow on social media. Why do you follow them? Okay, or online. Why do you follow them? What about them is it that you relate to and you're aligning with? Okay, and think about that and how it transfers into your business. So the whole basis of branding yourself is to create a following of people around you, okay, not your products and not your company, okay? So you are basically the gatekeeper, all right? So you are positioning yourself on social media in a way that it gives value, all right? People show up, they love seeing your posts, they love tuning into your lives, they're hanging on to every single word, and they continue to follow you wherever you go, whether it's on your timeline, whether it's in your stories on TikTok, your reels in IG, all the different places, okay? And once you are starting to build connections with those people, you have identified the right audience for you, then the next step is to build relationships with those people, okay? Now, a lot of people think, okay, it's going to be so much easier when I build my business online, and I'm going to get fast results, okay? So first, let's get that out of our head. It's not about fast results. It's about most effective, okay, and what it's going to mean for the long haul of your business. So this isn't an overnight success, get rich type thing, magic button, right? This actually takes some work and consistency. But you're going to build relationships with that audience. And you do that by actively going and engaging with those people, okay, commenting on their posts, in their stories, on their, following and liking and commenting on their TikToks, Reels, think of all the places that you're on, right? All the platforms. So you're building relationships, and these are authentic relationships. You're leaving real, genuine comments, okay? Not this liking things, hearting things. That is not, that's not going to help building the relationship, okay? So it's actually engaging with those people. And then the passive way that you're going to do this is by putting out your content. What is your message? What are you putting out to people? How are you giving value? Are you inspiring them? Are you making them laugh? Are you educating them? Are you giving good tips in your niche, right? So are you going live? Okay, where can people see you? Because what you put out to your audience is a direct correlation of what they're going to, how they're going to see from you, right? So if all you're doing is posting about your company and your products, they're going to say every time your post comes across, they're going to keep scrolling, right? Or they're going to know it's just another, pitch. It's just another pitch. They don't really get to see who you are. So show your people who you are, right? What your life is like, what are your hobbies? What are you passionate about? All right. Throwing out something good, valuable that maybe someone might need to hear that day to get through the day or to deal with whatever they're dealing with, right? You are that brightness that you're sharing out to the world, that value, okay, that people only get when they come and they follow you, right? So this is how you build the relationship. Now, once you have the right audience, okay, and you are building relationships with this audience, all right, this is a recipe on what builds influence, okay? It is the know, like, and trust, so we call it in influence marketing, right? It's once you have shown up consistently over time, you're connecting with people genuinely as a human, right? And that turns into people knowing you, liking you, and trusting you. And that's how you create influence. And once you have done this with your audience, you can then promote to that audience in a non-salesy, non-spammy way, okay? And these promotions can be, so don't overthink when I say promote. What it means is you can ask for what you want, but you can do it in a curiosity, value-driven way versus non-salesy, spammy, buy my stuff kind of way. So think about, when you're online and you go to buy something, okay? And you're like, well, I've bought from this store before, huh? That's the know, like, and trust, right? Or my friend has told me about this store before, right? And then you see this, whether they're these jeans, and you're like, oh my gosh, I got to have them, okay? I got to have them because they're stretchy and they're comfy fit and they're not going to shrink in the dryer, right? All the things. So that is what they are giving you the benefits. Buy these jeans because these are the benefits. So when you show up on social media and you're sharing about your products, about the benefits they've given you, okay, and the results you've had, maybe what it was like before you started, consuming the products or whatever that looks like, and the result with it now, and then, hey, do you want, would you love to have these same results? Let me know that down below. I'm not telling you to come buy it. I'm asking if you want the results of what it gave me, right? The benefits. So do you see how that is different? Okay. That is what we call promoting, but we do it in a non-salesy, non-spammy way so that your audience doesn't feel like they're being pitched. Okay. And people will buy from people that they know, like, and trust. Okay. It's not because of all the science that's in it or, what it's made of, or all those type of things, right? People buy from people that they know, like, and trust. And people join people's teams that they know, like, and trust as well. Okay. Other things you can promote is, if your team has a challenge going on, all right, this is what it did for me. I'd love to share with you, or let me know if you want to get in on this. Would you like to learn how you can X, Y, and Z? Oh my gosh, I have a free training happening inside this private group. Let me know if you want in the comments. Okay. It could be send me a message and connect if you want to learn how to X, Y, Z. So there's so many different things that you can do to promote. But I want to emphasize that is the last step of this process, okay? And this totally blew my mind, because when I first got started, this was the first thing that my upline was teaching me to do. My upline said, out of the gates, put it out there. Okay, start telling everybody, promote. We got this sale. Oh my gosh, you have to show these before and afters, right? Just promote. And I hadn't even been online for that long, right? People didn't know who I was. They just knew I was a teacher, okay? And I played sports, right? And I was a coach. They didn't know why I got started in, they didn't know my journey. They didn't know a lot of all these things, what I was consuming, what it had done for me, right? So think about this and how this can totally transform your business. First knowing that not everybody's your perfect prospect. Okay. So identify who those people are, right? And get really specific. Okay. And it's not about getting to 5,000 friends as much as possible. It is about quality. All right. So qualify those people. Do you want to work with them? Are they in a country they can buy from you and join your team? Do you want to see their stuff that they're posting on social media? Do you even know who that person is? Right. Then you're going to build that relationship with them that leads to that know, like, and trust, which creates influence. And then the third and final step is promoting to your audience in a non-salesy, spammy way. So I hope this training was valuable for you. Go ahead and grab the link below, and we will see you next time. Bye.